Welcome everybody to the Sharp Electronics booth. We've got some great things that we're showcasing today. We had an unbelievable show where we were showcasing many different things. One of the things we were doing is we were showcasing presentations from our third-party partnerships right on this screen here. This screen is actually called ActiveScene. It's a technology that is significant in the show because it's actually a Sharp technology. It's a screen that actually becomes a screen from a glass surface, whether it's glass or plexi. We were showcasing that as we were talking about our technologies. We had presentations on the hour here at the entire show where we were talking about embellishments, we were talking about finishing, we were talking about automation, we were talking about workflow, and we were really able to get our customers engaged with those presentations from our third-party partners. Speaking of third-party partners, follow me, I'll show you a little bit about what we're showcasing here on the show floor. All the way down on the end there is eProductivity Software, a very important workflow software partner for us. And next up is Plockmatic, a finishing partner of ours that connects not only in line with our product, but also near line. We also have Tactiful, which is a brand new vendor in the industry that focuses on embellishments and how you can differentiate yourself as a company in the embellishment world by allowing your customers to make more money when selling that type of output. We've got ColorLogic, which is a partner of ours. The ColorLogic software makes embellishments easy, and not only that, it comes with every 6-color press that we sell. So in line with the machine and at the press when you buy a 1200S, which is awesome. We have our partners at Duplo. Duplo allows us to put spot varnish on that beautiful 5th and 6th color output, which actually takes that output to the next level. So speaking of that output, if you look here to my left, we have a print sample wall. Why did we do a print sample wall? Well, it's the best way to see the samples when you shine the light on it appropriately. On this wall, we're showcasing our black and white output as well as our color output from our high-end office and or light production devices. On the right side, if you follow me, we're showcasing our print samples from our 5th and 6th color engine. And with that, we're able to showcase all the great opportunities that the product brings to the table, such as fluorescence, such as metallics, such as black paper with white ink. All the things that the product can do to differentiate in the market. On top of that, what we've done is we actually created embellishments. And one of the reasons why we use the wall is because the wall actually allows us to see the light shine on that output. And you can see the embellishment on the output. It makes it look realistic, where someone would actually want to come out and touch that output. Embellishments allow customers to look and feel and touch, and we've learned that when you do embellishment output and you leverage the capabilities of the press, that allows you to charge sometimes up to 300% more for that output versus just CMYK. So the opportunity is there for our customers to make money with that device and this type of output. So at this point, we're going to take a look at the engines themselves. So I'm going to hand it off to Kent. So take it away, Kent.
Thank you, Dino. Hello, my name is Kent Villarreal. I'm Senior Product Manager for Product Planning and Marketing. Work at the headquarters in New Jersey, and today I'm here at Printing United 2024, and I want to go over one of our solid products that we do really well with. We sell a lot of these products. It's our Pro Series 90C80. That's a BP 90C80. It's part of our Pro Series, and I just want to go over some of the key aspects that we're showing at Printing United 2024. So I'm going to start with the input. We have up to 10,000 sheets with our LCT options. It's air feed, vacuum fed, no feed rollers in here. We got air, suction, and air blowing in 3 different directions to separate the sheets. So it's great for that synthetic media, textured media, and coated media so that it doesn't stick together. Feeds right into the machine, very precise, keeps that front to back registration intact. We also are showing our full bleed capability for banner size sheets. So this happens to be a 25.5 inch sheet size. It has the ability to crease, which I will show you down the machine, but with a couple of simple folds here, you have a full bleed booklet, brochure, very nice sample, perfect for a show like this where you're going to have on-demand printing. So that's one application. We also are showing it with our full-blown server Fiery. It's the PE10, and it's operating on the latest FS600 platform for Fiery. And I'm going to show you over here at the control panel that we have full access to Command Workstation from our control panel. You can go from making copies here, the copy screen, to switching to the Fiery Command Workstation. And looking at previewing your job, you have all the features and capabilities that you have with any Command Workstation from a separate workstation. Full access to Command Workstation. We got the pull-out keyboard, and a lot of customers like to just use a wireless mouse here just to make it easier. But you can also use this to come standard with the Fiery. So moving right along, and I'm just going to go over some of the highlights here. Again, we showed the capability of printing this. What makes that happen, besides the ability to print to the edges without any white void, so you don't need a two-edge trimmer. Even with other products that have two-edge trimmers, they can't do this size. So this is a huge application that Sharp really has an advantage with. And in order to do the creases here, we have the new Smart Punch Plus that has a crease die. So it puts the creases in here, it comes through, it exits out here, and we have a long paper sheet exit tray that usually sticks out here. It's out now because we have the booklet finisher here. But you would have these fully finished documents ready to be folded at a show like this and handed out to customers. So in addition to the long sheets, predecessor models, this model was launched in September of 2023. But there's predecessor models that used to be able to do the edge-to-edge printing on 11 by 17. So we've added to this capability with our 8.5 by 11 size sheets. So you can do statement-sized books without a two-edge trim capability and with paper off the shelf. 8.5 by 11, you don't need to print on larger sheet sizes in order to be able to get this nice finished book on the exit tray. So this can be done with a regular saddle stitch finisher, which we have as an option. We're not showing that here. This is a regular multi-sheet staple finisher. However, we do have the Plockmatic that we can utilize. It's the BM50, does up to 30 sheets for 120-page booklets. Has the square fold, so you have a nice flat lay, so you can stack them into boxes. But with this setup, this is a full configuration. We got a really great seller in this product, and customers really enjoy the capabilities of this product. So thank you for letting me show you a little bit about the BP90C80 here at Printing United 2024. Now we're here at the Press Series BP1200S, and I'm going to go through this product. This is our flagship product. It's our 6-color product, 120 pages per minute. We're doing some really great things. This shows all about embellishments, and I'm going to show you what this product can do. So starting from this end, we have our air feed trays for very precise feeding into the machine, front to back registration. And some of the samples that we have here is this was printed on the machine. It's got a landscape orientation here, but we're printing with silver in here. We're printing with the neon pink to get those neon colors for the bright oranges and the pinks and the purples. But this is a nice print sample and brochure that we hand out to customers with a nice form factor. So in addition to that, We have some more. We have some more neon samples. We partner with ColorLogic, who we bundle their software solutions to really give the customer a turnkey solution on day one. On day one, they can print all of the samples that are available for many different verticals to be able to just start printing, showing their customers what this product can do, and it really allows them to give that higher margin value products. We start with an engine that is a very solid CMYK device. Again, it's 120 pages per minute, 2400 by 2400 DPI, and front to back registration is very tight on this. Just what you can also see here, and we have some samples laid out here. This is actually printed with silver underlay. So silver toner underlay really makes, you know, the highlights in her hair kind of pop, right? Additionally, we're printing our foil paper, silver paper. In order to be able to do that and do some of these light packaging applications, we have to be able to print. And this is, you know, some cutouts, but this is the finished product before it's die cut. This is on the silver paper. You have the white toner, that's the underlay, so that you can actually print color on here. And then the gold that's coming through is just a light pattern of yellow on top of that, which gives you that gold iridescent type of look. So very high premium type print that we could do on this product. Very exciting. Customers love it. So now I'm going to talk a little bit about the engine, talk to you about the 6 colors and kind of what we're showing here. So the engine is from the end of this door all the way to here. So it's a significant machine, and it's because it's very precise. And it's also doing 6 colors at 120 pages per minute. So as I told you, as I explained, here's your white in the underlay position. So that's the first toner that goes down. Then we have the black, cyan, magenta, yellow, which is common with all 4 color products. And then we have the overlay, which is that neon pink, giving you the wider color gamut. And we're just going to move along here. We have the ability to do multiple colors here. So if you can zoom on in there. We have silver, gold, pink, and white. So you got your metallics, you got your white, and you got your neon pink. For the underlay position, for the overlay position, we have silver, gold, pink, white, and in addition to that, we have clear, and then something called textured paper. That allows you to print onto textured paper so that you can have a nice, even, high-density fill on that textured paper. So this is the PCUI. This is the control panel for the machine. It's got monitor and keyboard. This allows you to dial in the front-to-back registration, the skew, the image, shrinkage, all of that, and control everything to be very, very precise with your output. Moving right along, I talked about ColorLogic. This is a test sheet that when we install a press, we have the customer print this, and then they will be listed on ColorLogic's site as an approved ColorLogic software printer that will allow these premium brands to know that they can print these neon colors, these metallic colors. So this has patterns and everything that comes with the software bundle that comes with this product. That's all included with this product. It's about $9,500 worth of software that's all included with this product. customer doesn't have to pay for it, and it's available on day one. So we have many different finishing features on this product. From left to right, we have the curl correction unit, which helps to flatten out any imperfections with any coated media or media that may have had some humidity in it. We also have our post-process inserter. Moving right along, we have our static eliminator, which is mandatory if you're going to do anything with synthetic medias, which we know those are used a lot these days, and COVID really helped bring that along. But this is really important to make sure that you don't have media that's going to stick together. And we all know that with synthetic media, it likes to stick together. So this is mandatory. In addition to that, it helps with the foil paper and other specialty medias for the same reason. We have a stacker, of course, for offline finishing. We can have up to 2 of these. We just have it configured with 1 right now. This is a 5,000 sheet stacker. You can get additional carts so that you could just roll the cart off to the finishing station. We have our 2-edge trimmer so that you can do full bleed booklets with this. We could have print all the way to the edges. And then it also has, it's a folding unit. It does multiple different folds, gate fold, trifold, bifold, all of the common folds for this category of product. Addition to that, we have the finisher, multi-finishing finisher, and then we have our booklet finisher, square fold booklet finisher to get that nice flat feel with the booklet. So thank you for joining. For more information, contact your Sharp authorized reseller, and you can go to www.sharpusa.com. Now I'm here and I'm going to show you our flagship monochrome product. This product is our BP 1360M. It's the top of our line. It's 136 pages per minute and 2400 by 2400 DPI. Does very good solids and very good halftones. So I'm going to take you through this product a little bit. We're going to start from the feeding. So we have air feed technology in these drawers. We have the vacuum feed to get that precise feeding into the machine using multiple media types. We're moving on. We have the latest edition of the control panel where you have access to user accounts. You can go in here and do your copy, your scan. It's set up with the Fiery so that you can do more advanced workflows. You can also work with the color products that you may have in your fleet to be able to manage and move jobs around to other machines with Fiery Command Workstation. One of the other things that I wanted to show you is that we have an interposer or a post sheet inserter that allows you to insert color pages off something like our 90C80 product that can do the edge-to-edge printing. So you can have nice booklets with a nice color cover and monochrome or black and white pages on the inside. So it's a nice marrying of technology, having our Color Pro series and our monochrome press series in the same location doing production workflow. One thing that I love about this machine is the image quality. So I'm going to show you a couple things. So this is prior to doing a calibration on the Fiery. What the Fiery allows you to do is to really dial in those gradations and give you some really beautiful print quality. The configuration with the Fiery to really be able to do those production workflows and do it very quickly, large file sizes, the Fiery just crunches through that. So especially when you get into image files like this. We have the similar finishing and input that I showed you on the color press series. So I'm not going to go through all of that again. I just wanted to show you that we have the post sheet inserter, that we can add the color covers on that. Nice marrying of technologies. So that's really this product. It's, again, our flagship product, up to 136 pages per minute, and nice sister product to our BP 1200 S series product. So thank you, and again, you can go to our website at sharpusa.com or get in touch with one of your Sharp resellers, authorized Sharp resellers, and we'd love to talk to you.